The AI revolution has been unleashed by Adobe, Anthropic, DeepSeek, OpenAI, 11 Labs, and more. Dive into the latest breakthroughs in AI. In this video, we cover Adobe's integration of advanced AI models into its Firefly app, Anthropic's bold prediction on virtual AI workers, a startling breach at DeepSeek, and its implications for security and automotive AI, Grok's new visual processing capabilities, and OpenAI's cutting-edge image generation model. We also delve into Microsoft's real-world AI transformations with 261 customer success stories. Stay tuned for a detailed breakdown of how these AI developments are shaping the future of technology. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of AI daily. Today we're diving into a revolutionary roundup of news that's shaking up the industry. First up, Adobe is taking a giant leap forward by integrating state-of-the-art AI models from none other than OpenAI and Google into its popular Firefly app. This enhancement means richer, more powerful AI features, promising to redefine creative processes for users worldwide. For more on this, be sure to subscribe to Useful AI Hacks on YouTube. I release AI news and ways to get the best use out of AI platforms every day. Let's get started. American startup Anthropic is predicting that virtual AI workers will soon become a reality in corporate networks. Imagine an office full of AI-powered virtual employees, working seamlessly alongside humans. This prospect could very well reshape our future workplaces. In another significant development, security concerns have come into the spotlight with a breach at DeepSeek, exposing vulnerabilities that have now made their way to the dark web. Interestingly, amid these challenges, DeepSeek is also partnering with BMW to integrate its AI technology into new vehicles in China. This dual narrative of risk and innovation reminds us of the delicate balance in AI's evolution. Next, we have xAI's Grok chatbot, which now boasts the incredible ability to visually process the world around us. With features like real-time search, multilingual support, and the ability to use your smartphone camera, Grok is setting a new standard in interactive AI. Last but not least, OpenAI has once again pushed the boundaries of what's possible by launching a new image generation model through their API. And the AI Agent Innovation Academy is already teaching students how to use the new image generation model. This move is turning heads in the developer community and opens up even more creative opportunities in digital content creation. Wrapping up, Microsoft is showcasing a whopping 261 new customer stories, demonstrating how businesses are transforming daily through the power of AI. From entrepreneurs to small startups to multinational enterprises, AI is making waves across all sectors. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share to help spread the AI revolution. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest updates. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this AI roundup insightful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates and deep dives into AI news every day. Please like, share, and comment below. Share your thoughts on which AI breakthrough excites you the most. Don't forget to tap the notification bell to get daily updates and deep dives into the world of AI. I appreciate you all and look forward to seeing you tomorrow.